Snowy, where are you?
Lucy, look behind the chair.
Mom, where's my cat Snowy?
I thought Snowy was in your room.
No, Mom, I cannot find her.
Did you check under the bed?
Yes, I looked there.
Maybe she is in the kitchen.
Snowy, where are you?
Lucy, look behind the chair.
She's not here.
Do not worry. We will find her.
Snowy always sleeps on the sofa.
Is she there now?
She's not here.
Do not worry. We will find her.
Oh no! The door was open.
Let's check the yard.
Snowy! Come here, Snowy!
I do not see her.
Mom, I am worried.
It is okay. Cats like to explore.
Maybe she is in the garden.
Let's walk there together.
Snowy likes the flowers.
Yes, she does.
Snowy! Are you here?
Lucy, look near the tree.
I only see a bird.
Then she is not here.
Where can she be?
Let's ask the neighbor.
Hi, Mr. Brown.
Hello, Lucy.
Did you see my cat?
What does your cat look like?
She is small and white.
I saw a white cat earlier.
Really? Where?
Near the playground.
Thank you, Mr. Brown.
Let's go there.
Snowy likes the playground.
Maybe she followed a butterfly.
Snowy! Snowy!
Listen carefully.
Snowy! Snowy! Wait, I hear something.
What do you hear?
I hear a soft meow.
Where is it coming from?
Maybe behind the slide.
Let's look.
No, she is not here.
Try calling her again.
Snowy, come here!
Listen again.
Snowy, come here! The sound is louder now.
Look up.
Snowy, come down!
She looks scared.
How will she come down?
Maybe she needs help.
Snowy, do not be afraid.
Lucy, stay calm.
She is still meowing.
Let's call someone.
Maybe Dad can help.
Good idea.
He'll get you down. Hi, Dad. Snowy is in a tree.
I will come right now.
Dad is coming.
That is good.
Snowy looks scared.
Talk to her softly.
I see Dad.
Hello, Lucy.
Dad, Snowy is up there.
I see her.
We have to get her down.
Can you help her?
Yes, I will climb the tree.
Be careful, Dad.
Do not worry.
Dad has her.
I got Snowy.
Thank you, Dad.
You are welcome.
Snowy was very brave.
Yes, she was.
Let's go home.
Good idea.
Snowy, stay close to me.
She will.
I was very worried.
But everything is okay now.
Snowy, do you like trees?
Maybe too much.
She is purring.
She feels safe.
Let's give Snowy some food.
Good idea.
Snowy is eating fast.
She had a big day.
Now she is sleepy.
Cats love naps.
She is back on the sofa.
Her favorite place.
You can sleep here.
Good night, Snowy.
Today was scary.
But it ended well.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Lucy.